So, good morning to all of you. Welcome for this particular class. In this class, we will discuss some sample paper. We will go straight away to the science area and try and see what kind of questions they have given, whether it has been covered in our syllabus, or even if we have covered, even if it is covered, whether we have understood it or not. Because let us pay slightly more attention to the science and social science area, because I find you people are finding it some difficulties there in learning science and social science, because you people are not scoring marks. Even yesterday's quiz program, we had a quiz program in Tamil, Vinadi Vina, and there are about 27 questions and two questions they could not answer. All 25 were answered by many students, but two questions they could not answer, and both the questions are from the science area. I was really, little bit astonished, because those questions are taken from 10th standard books, and most of the students who have, I mean, 9th standard books, sorry, and most of the students who have appeared for the quiz are 9th, 10th, 11th. So obviously they have come across such things, but then unfortunately they were not able to answer, because you did not go through the book. Inside the book, whatever is there, it is not covered by you. That is the, I think, fundamental understanding I have, or it could be something else also. So we need to look at. So same thing happens in our NTSC, that you people do well in mental ability, but when it comes to SAT, by and large 99.9% of the students are scoring low in SAT. So which is, I mean, you can say about 98%. But 2% people who have scored good in SAT, they have cleared the NTSC. The people who have scored good in SAT, they have cleared NTSC, they have gone to stage 2. So that's it. Okay, let's see. Okay, first question is, lactometer is an instrument which works on the principle of. Lactometer is an instrument which works on the principle of law of flotation, Newton's law, Ohm's law, Avogadro law. Which is the right answer? Lactometer is used to find the density of milk. This meter is used to find the density of the
Sir,
milk.
can you show the all the options again, sir?
Yeah, because I have some difficulty in showing you all the option. Why there's some noise is coming? Is it from my side?
No, sir.
Acha. So whoever is kept your mic open, you close it. Whenever you want to talk, you can open it. No problem. So I'll show you how to do this. How do I go down instead of the down that arrow? Is there any other way I can go down?
You have mouse, sir.
I don't have mouse. Only this thing is there. It's a laptop. So okay, I mean the options are law of flotation, Newton's law, Ohm's law, Avogadro law. These are the four laws given. Lactometer is an instrument which works on the principle of. So what could be the answer? So definitely not Ohm's
Right.
law.
Yes, sir.
Definitely
Sir,
not
Avogadro law, sir.
Avogadro law. Definitely not Avogadro law. So what could be the law? I do not know. Is it Avogadro law? No, I don't think so. Ohm's law? No, because Ohm's law is to do with electricity. Avogadro is to do with the basic, atom, and molecules. Newton's law is about gravity. What about flotation? Flotation is the right answer, I think, because that is what talks about density of this one. It talks of flotation when something floats only when it is less denser. So, and lactometer is to find the density of the milk. So, that is exactly what. So, law of flotation is the right answer for this. In case, if I have doubt, I will tell you I have a doubt. But wherever I am very sure, I have not gone through your answer sheet or something. But then wherever I am sure, I will go ahead with that. Okay, lactometer is the answer. Okay. A 250 kilo bike is ridden by a circus man at a speed of 20 meter per second in a circular path of diameter 100 meter. Calculate its acceleration. A 250 kilo bike is ridden by a circus man at a speed of 20 meter per second in a circular path of diameter 200 meter. Calculates its acceleration. calculates its acceleration, they are saying. Acceleration, what is the formula for acceleration? What is meant by acceleration? Let us understand this.
Sir, acceleration is in a moving object.
Correct. What is acceleration? I am saying.
Sir, change in velocity by time.
Change in velocity by time. So velocity is given in the form of a speed, that is 20 meter per second. So change in velocity is how much? In a circular path of diameter 100 meters. What is the acceleration? They are asking. meters per second in a circular path of diameter 200 meters. In 1 second it crosses 20 meters. But ma is equal to change in velocity. Isn't it? That is m per second square. Isn't it? M per second square. So what is this? 20 meter per second. How do we get this? What is the answer for this? I do not know. Force is equal to ma, that is mv square. Mv square, v square is the answer. V square, 400 meter per second. Anyway, we will skip this. I will come back to you because I have not referred to any answer sheets. Okay, I will come back, because you also are not able to understand. Good. We will go to next question. Find the odd one out. 30.8 into 10 power 15 meters, 9.46 into 10 power 15 meters, 1.496 into 10 power 11 meters, 3.08 into 10 power 16. What is the odd man out? Because the first one and the fourth one are the same, I think. Is it correct? First one and the fourth one are the same?
Sir, no,
Yes, sir.
That have 10 to the power of 16.
Yes.
The first one is 10
Sir,
to the
but point வந்து 3.
You have to look at,
08
you
and
have to
sir.
pay intense attention to the question paper. Then only you can answer this. First and fourth are same. That I am very sure. But find the odd one word. But that will not help you. Okay, that will not help you. It will help you to some extent. 1.496 into 10 power 11 meters. What is this? Or 9.
Sir, I think it is light year.
Which is light year? Light year is how much? The light, the speed of light which crosses for 1 year. Huh? Is it like that?
Yes, sir. Light travels in 1 year is called light year.
Right, but then the 10 power, 30.8 into 10 power 15 and 3.08 10 power 16 are same. That much I know, because those two. So I am presuming that 1 and 4 cannot be the answer. What else can be the answer? What does it talk about? But it refers to what? I don't know. It refers to what? No idea. Even I don't have any idea. That again we will skip this. We will come back. See, this shows how much big hollow we have.
Second one is second option is about light years units, sir.
So 9.46 into 10 power 15 is the light year. Is it the light year?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is 1.496 into 10 power 11?
Astronomical unit.
Astronomical unit. Okay. 10 power 11. And then 3.08 into 10 power 16.
Parsec.
What one?
Parsec, sir.
Parsec. What is that?
Parsec.
Parsec.
What is parsec? I do not know.
Sir, Parcus is the longest unit which we can measure universe.
Okay, so okay, that is parsec is about universe. Light year is a universe. Which is a parsec 1.496. That is about universe. 3.08 into 10 power 16 refers to what? Is the speed of the light? What is the speed of the light?
Sir, 3 lakh kilometer per.
3 into 10 power 8.
10 power 8. Okay, but it's 10 power 16, so not correct. So anyway, you check this. You also check this
Sir,
again.
first option, sir.
What is the first option?
30.8.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
30.8 in 10 power 15 is odd man out. What is that? I'm asking you what it refers to. It is a unit of what?
Sir, another, sir. Larger unit, sir.
No, if you cannot say 1 and 4 because 1 and 4 are same. If you say 1, then 16 also is odd man out. Fourth one also is odd man out. Yes or no? See, I am very sure, 100% sure, 1 and 4 are not the options, are not the answers. Either 2 and 3, but I do not know which one is this. You have to find out. Okay. Now, this shows how much hollow we are in as far as science is concerned. The spectacular glow of diamond is due to refraction, reflection, total internal reflection, scattering of light. The spectacular glow of diamond. Diamond glows, we all know.
Refractions.
Is it a refraction or is it a total internal reflection? Somebody can check with the Google and let me know. I think it is total internal reflection. I am not sure. Glow of diamond is due to scattered and fractured. 1 minute. Refraction, yes. Refraction is the right answer. I go with that. Refraction is the right answer. The spectacular glow of diamond is due to refraction, not total internal reflection, not reflection, not scattering of light. Now, it is your duty to know what is the difference between refraction, what is the difference between reflection. Reflection is the reflection of that light signal on the surface. It will reflect and give it on the same side. Refraction is that goes on the next medium. Refraction is one thing where the light goes next medium. Total internal refraction also is on the same medium. Scattering of light is on another medium. So it is a refraction they have given. So now you need to find what is the difference between these things. What is the minute difference? Where is the total internal reflection and reflection? What is the difference? Total internal reflection and reflection, what is the difference?
So total internal reflection taken place in glass prisms.
Okay. Then reflection?
So
No, your
reflection
internal angle of incidence it is called, I think. Angle of incidence is within certain limit, then you will expect total internal reflection. This is my understanding. Of course, you have to check up because I have not refreshed my knowledge on science. Just I am taking this first time about this. Total internal reflection will take place provided your angle of incidence is some degree based on the medium. It may vary from medium to medium. This much I know. I think this much I am correct also. Whereas reflection is something different. Okay, so you have to, reflection is, I think it goes in the other side of the same medium, on the other side, but then it will be, reflected, no, reflection also is on the same side only, correct. So you find out the difference. See, this is the big hollow in all our students. We don't know what it means, etc. We don't know. So all that we studied, we know, we say we are a space scientist and scientific student, but then we don't know many things. Okay, let's go to 126. If a current of 5 ampere flows through a heater, the amount of heat produced is 54,000 joules in 6 minutes. Then find the resistance of electric heater. I think in 6 minutes, This also I do not know. Let me not know. These are some things which you need to know. You must have studied. It is there. It's all our 9th standard, 10th standard syllabus only. Nothing is new. Okay, match the following. Let's see whether we can do this. Oh, match the following means what is that? Okay, let me read. Match the following. Formation of real and inverted images of objects. Real and inverted images of objects. So they in the right hand side they have given the parts of the eye: pupil, cornea, iris, and retina. Controls the amount of light entering the pupil, pathway of light to retina, refracts or bends the light onto the lens. So which is what? So I think here again I think we are big zero. All of you are big zero on this. Okay, come again. Right, yeah. Yes, which is what?
Sir, controls the amount of light entering the pupil is iris, sir.
Iris, okay. Controls the amount of light entering the pupil is iris, okay. Refracts or bends the light into the lens.
Sir, pathway of the light to retina on pupil, sir.
Okay, that's a pathway of the light to retina is pupil, okay. So two things we have got. The formation of real and inverted image, then that I think has to be retina. Refracts and bends the light into the lens may be cornea. So this is what I understand from what you are saying. You check these things. You have to be very thorough in this. That's why I say you pay intense attention on your subject. Not just studying the subject, not just understanding the subject, not just comprehending the subject. Intense attention you have to pay on the subject. Then only you can answer these questions. Otherwise it will be very difficult. Okay, go to next. Okay, 1 minute. Pick out the correct pairs. Radiation. See, what is this? Radiation is heat transferred in the, okay, then radiation, then heat is transferred in the form of waves.
Sir, option A only correct, sir.
Wait, radiation is heat is transferred in the form of waves. It can occur even in vacuum. Conduction, transfer of heat in fluids. It does not take place in vacuum. Convection, transfer of heat in solids. It can occur in vacuum. So convection is B. Convection is sorry. B and C only. Now what are we supposed to find? Let me see. What are we? Pick out the correct pairs. Okay, correct pairs. So convection is transfer of heat in solids. No, I think C is not correct. I think B.
E is also not
A is correct. A only is correct. Huh?
Convection takes place in fluids, sir.
Conduction takes place in fluids. That is B. B is
Sir, A
correct.
is the correct answer, sir.
No, convection only takes place in fluids. No.
Conduction takes place in solid, convection takes place in fluid.
So B and C are not right. Only A is correct. That is, heat is transferred in the form of waves. It can occur even in vacuum. That is, only A is correct. So A is A only. That is, 1 is correct. Option 1 is the correct answer. Okay. Correct the given statement. The spectral lines having frequency equal to the incident ray frequency is called Raman lines. The spectral lines having frequency equal to the incidental ray frequency is called Raman lines. Correct the given statement. The spectral lines, I think you have to change that spectral lines having frequency equal to the incident ray frequency is called Raman lines. Raman lines and Tyndall effect are same. That much I know. Raman lines and Tyndall effect are same. So where do we put in? So I think it has to be 4. My guess is it is option 4 because Tyndall effect and Raman lines are refers to the same thing. So Rayleigh lines, Stokes lines, anti-Stokes lines are a different subject. Altogether it may be a different subject. I do not know. So my guess here is Tyndall effect. Any other guess or any other right answer?
Sir, Sir, Tyndall effect is when the colloidal substance we put it on the light, we can see the path of the colloidal substance. Sir.
Correct.
That is called as Tyndall effect, sir.
Tyndall effect. So Raman lines is also same, no? Is it to do with that?
I think not. Same.
Anyway, you check with this. I do not know. You check this again. This is where again we have okay. The only moon in the solar system that moves in the opposite direction to the direction in which the planet spins. It is not the moon, but the only moon, not our moon. The only moon in the solar system that moves in the opposite direction to the direction in which its planet moves. I mean, the many planets have got moon. Like Earth has got a moon. That is what we call moon. And this Venus has got some other thing may have some moon. Now I think our Lakshmana Prabhu, can you tell me what are the planets have moons?
Sir, Mercury have moon, sir. Venus have moon. Mars have 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. Earth have 1 moon, and Jupiter have many moons. And Uranus, Neptune, all and all have moon, sir. But Mercury doesn't have a moon, sir.
Oh, Mercury does not have a moon. Earth has got 1 moon, and
Mars has got 2 moons. Jupiter has 56 moons.
my God. Okay, what are these? The only moon in the solar system that moves in the opposite direction to the direction in which its planet spins. Sputnik, Titan, Ganymede, Triton. I do not know. Only Lakshmana
Sir,
Prabhu.
Titan is the moon of Saturn.
Anyway, you all people have find out, but it is there in your book. It has to be there in your book. If you read inside the book, it is there, and it is a 10th standard syllabus. Again, 10th standard, your Samachir syllabus book should definitely have. I am sure CBSE also will have. Okay, go to next. The reason for using red light in traffic signals to stop vehicles. Why they are using red light? Red light has shorter wavelength. Red light has longer wavelength. Red light is very bright and attractive. Red light has highest angle of refraction.
Sir, red light have longer wavelengths.
Longer wavelength.
Yes,
Red
longer
light have
wavelength
longer
is the answer. Okay, I go with you. Red light has longer wavelength. That is the reason they use in the traffic signals. Okay, I will go with you. Which one of the following is not related to Joule's law or heating? Which one of the following is not related to Joule's law of heating? H equal to VQ, V equal to IR T square, and H equal to VIT, and H equal to I square RT.
Sir, once again, will you show the
H equal to I square,
Third
one
and
minute,
fourth
I
option.
square RT, H equal to VIT, then H equal to VIR T square, H equal to VQ. I think the third one. Third
So
one
third
is
one,
the
sir.
odd man out is third one because 1 and 2 are same. I square RT and VIT are same. Number 1. Then H equal to V by Q also I think is same. V by Q is also because Q equal to I by T or something like that. So that is also same. So V equal to H equal to VIR T square is the odd man out. I think I am 99% correct. The third is the wrong answer. You check. Again, I have not referred any answer papers, but you check. Okay. Third one. I'll tell you why. Why I say third one. See, I studied this electronics engineering about 35, 37 years back. So, first time I am referring to this, and I have never practiced electronics in my life. So, first time I am looking at all these IR, etc. V equal to IR. Am I correct? V equal to IR. So, I square RT can be written as VIT. So, these two are same. Okay. Then, second one is H equal to VIR T square, that is VIR it comes. So, that is it is I square R square it comes. No, it is not correct. I square is not, only I square R. So, V equal to Q is I by T. And V equal to IR. So, I square R per T. So, I think fourth also is right. I mean, it refers to the equal to 1 and 2. So, third may be the odd man out. But you check. I am 90% confident, but the 10% is always there. Okay, convert 1 kilowatt into horsepower. 1 kilowatt is equal to how many horsepower? 1 kilowatt is equal to how many horsepower? It is 1 by 0.746. How much it comes? 1 by 0.746? 1 by 0.746. How much it comes? Calculate that. .34 HP is the right. 1 kilowatt into horsepower. 1 kilowatt is equal to 1.34 HP is the right answer. Okay. Right. I mean, this again, why you are not able to say, I do not know. This is my old subject. Again, so that is 100 watt is equal to 746, 0.4746 HP. 100 watt is 1 kilowatt. Oh, sorry. 1 kilowatt is equal to, one minute. I think I made a mistake, I think. Yeah, 1 HP is equal to 746 watts. 1 HP is equal to 746 watts. 1 HP is equal to 746 watts. 1 kilowatt, 1 HP is equal to 746 watts. So 1 kilowatt is equal to 1.34 HP, correct? Yes, 1.34 HP is the right answer. I think my guess is correct. Let's go to the next one. Pick the odd man out. Pick the odd one what? CCl4, NaCl, CuCl2, CaCl2. NaCl is sodium chloride. The second one is cupric chloride, calcium chloride, and the first one, CCl4 is what?
Sir, CCl4.
CCl4 is odd man out. That is an organic compound. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
All other things are inorganic, and that CCl4 is organic because carbon is coming. Nowhere carbon is coming. Whenever you get carbon, that is called organic compounds. When you don't get carbon, that can be called as inorganic compounds. Okay. I think it's great.
Sir, the others are metals also.
Yeah, that's what organic and inorganic. Need not necessarily be metal, but then it's called organic and inorganic. You have to split organic, one subject called organic chemistry. Any chemistry to deal with carbon is called organic chemistry. So that in this 4 options, the first option is has got carbon, that is called organic compounds or organic chemistry, you can call it. Other three are inorganic because there is no carbon. That is the thing. Okay. Okay, here match the following. Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect is colloidal. Correct. Tyndall effect is colloidal. Now I am able to recall. Tyndall effect is colloidal. Okay, A equal to 3. Paper chromatography. Separate different colored dyes. I think paper chromatography maybe separate different colored dyes.
Sir, Brownian movement not observed in true solution, sir.
Yeah, Brownian movement is not observed in true solution, and centrifugation separates blood cells from blood samples. Yes, we got it correct. A is 3. So what is the answer? Let's see. A is 3, B is 4, C is 1, and D is 2. A is 3, B is 4, B is 4, yeah, B is 4, B is 4, C is 1, D is 2. Yeah, second option is the right answer. Yes, I think this also we are correct. I think we are almost 100% correct. The law of multiple proportion was proposed by John Dalton. This is, I think it comes under, I don't know, Rutherford, Neil Bohr, Jeremias, Richer, and John Dalton. I do not know. This name and all.
Sir, John Dalton is the answer, sir.
John Dalton is the answer. Are you sure?
Yes, sir, I am sure, sir.
So what is that, John? What did he say? What did he invent?
Sir, John Dalton said that when the chemical combination, the elements are in the whole number ratio.
Oh, the elements are in the whole number ratio. Okay. So that is, so multiple proportion, but is multiple proportion refers to that? That we do not know.
Sir, written.
Okay, it is there. Okay, I go with you. John Dalton is the right answer. I go with this boy, Lakshman Prabhu. But all of you check. Then, 137. Bronze is an alloy. assertion. Reason, alloy bears the characteristics of both metal and non-metal. Okay, what are they asking? Both A and R correct, A and R wrong. A is correct but R does not explain A. A is correct but R explains A. Let's see. Bones is an alloy. Alloy bears the characteristics of both metal and non-metal. I think reason is wrong. So A is correct, B is wrong. A is correct, B does not explain. Yes, because an alloy will not reflect the characteristics of both metal and non-metal. அப்படி இருந்தால் அதுக்கு பேர் அல்லாயன்னே பேர் இல்லைன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
அது பேர் மெட்டலாய்ட் சார்.
மெட்டலாய்டு, ஓகே. ஸோ அதனால ஸோ 137 I think the answer is 3. A is correct but R does not explain A. Maybe 95% correct. I have not again checked up with the answers. You can find the odd one out. Galvanization, bessemerization, electroplating, anodizing. I got the answer. நான் கை தூக்கிட்டேன். So when I was in school, all of you know, when I was in school, our teachers will raise questions. Whoever knows, they should not open their mouth. They have to raise their hands only. So only after getting 3 or 4 hands, he will explain. Till that time, he will wait. And most of the time, 2 or 3 hands will go up immediately. And the 4th hand, he will take some time. So now I raised the hand. Bessemerization is the odd one out. Because galvanization, anodizing, electroplating, all are same. It's a chemical deposition of on a particular metal. Anodizing, electroplating, galvanization, everything is same process. I mean similar process rather. Bessemerization is different. Bessemerization is a process through which you extract aluminium. கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? பெசமர் கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? Okay, you have not come across that. Bessemerization is a process through which you extract aluminium, whereas all other things, anodizing, electroplating, then you are galvanizing, everything is refers to a similar activity. That is chemical deposition on a metal is called any of these. Okay. Then PbO. Pb is lead oxide. 2 plus carbon gives you 2 Pb plus carbon dioxide is an example of dash reaction. What reaction?
Displacement reaction, sir.
It's called displacement reaction. Let me see what are the answers.
Yes, sir.
Reduction, redox, oxidation, decomposition. I'll show you once again. எனக்கு கண்டுபிடிச்சேன். I have got the answer. No,
redox reaction, sir.
Redox. Because it is அந்த oxygen remove பண்ணுது. So it is the oxidation கிடையாது. Maybe it's redox. Redox may be oxygenator ஒடுக்கம்னு சொல்கிறாங்க அதில். ஆமாம், it's not redox may be the right answer. Again you check. But my common sense says the redox may be the right answer. Okay, we'll go to next. The ratio of concentrated hydrochloric acid and concentrated nitric acid in King's water is. What is King's
Sir,
water?
3:1, sir.
அது என்ன King's water?
One, sir.
What is King's water?
Aqua regia.
Aqua regia.
Aqua regia.
Oh, aqua regia is what? Aqua regia is what? Mercuria.
Sir, no, sir. Aqua regia is hydrochloric acid and nitric acid are in the 3:1 ratio. It is used
Oh, that's
for,
called aqua regia. Hydrochloric acid and nitric acid in the ratio 3:1 is called aqua regia. That is called King's water. So 3:1 is the answer. Good, great. I think we have to applaud these two people who have said this. Very good. Find the incorrect pair. Ammonium hydroxide removes grease stains from clothes. Calcium hydroxide, whitewashing of building. I think that is correct. Sodium hydroxide, manufacture of soap. That is correct. Magnesium hydroxide, manufacture of fertilizers. I do not know. Ammonium hydroxide removes grease and stains from clothes. I think first one is the odd man out. It's not the correct pair. Second is correct. Calcium hydroxide. That's சுண்ணாம்பு.
Yes, sir.
அது வந்து sodium hydroxide, manufacture of soap is correct, I think. Then magnesium hydroxide, yes, magnesium I think is to do with fertilizers. Third is correct. So fourth, the first one, ammonium hydroxide removes grease and stains, may be the wrong answer. Again,
magnesium hydroxide used for treatment for acidity, sir.
which one?
Magnesium hydroxide is used for treatment for acidity, sir.
But magnesium hydroxide manufacture of fertilizers, they are saying. The manufacturer of fertilizers will come, ammonium hydroxide will be used for that, I think. Maybe magnesium hydroxide also used, I do not know. I am not sure, you have to check. So, which of one of the following resin coats in plastic resins are unsafe? அது எனக்கு தெரியவே தெரியாது, அதனால் நான் அது ஸ்கிப் பண்ணிடலாம். ஒன்றுமே கேள்வியை பொருளான நான் ஸ்கிப் பண்ணிடுறேன். Which among the following is highly toxic and inflammable gas? Which one of the following highly toxic inflammable gas? That is, sorry, இருங்க. Carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, carbon sulfide. அப்புறம் இது என்ன CaC2, என்னது கால்சியம், கார்பன் calcium carbide or whatever. So which one is the more toxic? கண்டிப்பாக CO2 கிடையாது, கண்டிப்பாக CO கிடையாது.
I think carbon monoxide.
கார்பன் மோனாக்சைடு டாக்ஸிக், டாக்ஸிக் என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, இருங்க. What is that they said? Is it which is highly toxic and inflammable gas? It is inflammable. Inflammable gas maybe I think carbon monoxide. It is toxic, I know.
Carbon monoxide தான்.
ஆமாம், கார்பன் inflammable.
Carbon monoxide அதனால வந்து breathing problem வரும்.
அது toxic inflammable gas, because will it increase the flame? Firing அது aid பண்ணுமா?
No sir, it does not.
அது எனக்கு டவுட்டாக இருக்குது, அது என்னன்னு தெரியல. ஓகே, யூ செக், தட் இஸ் செக். கண்டிப்பாக கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு கிடையாது. த ரீசன் ஃபார் அன்ஸ்டெபிலிட்டி ஆஃப் நானோ பார்ட்டிகல்ஸ், அது எனக்கு தெரியவே தெரியாது, அதனால் நான் ஸ்கிப் பண்ணுறேன். விச் எவர் ஐ டோன்ட் even அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட், ஐ எம் ஜஸ்ட் ஸ்கிப்பிங், பிகாஸ் லெட் மீ find read some your science books and then come back. Pick out the correct formula for blue vitriol. நீல விட்ரியாலின் சரியான சூத்திரத்தை கண்டுபிடிக்க. I don't know what it is.
Sir, CuSO4 pentaH2O, sir.
என்னது CuSO4?
7H2O, sir.
7H2O. CuSO4 7H2O
7H2O.
is our answer we got from one person, but you check up all those stuff. Okay. When exposed to sunlight, parenchyma cells may develop chloroplasts and are known as
Chlorenchyma sir.
Chlorenchyma. It's known as chlorenchyma. Okay, I go with you because chlorophyll அதெல்லாம் அந்த சன்லைட்டோட சேர்ந்து வர்றது தான், அதனால இட் மே பி கரெக்ட். Chlorenchyma, correct.
Chlorenchyma is present in leaves sir.
Yeah, okay. Then give the correct equation of photosynthesis. இது அந்த chlorophyll சேர்ந்தது தான். என்னமோ அது என்ன, சோடியம் கார்பனேட்டா, சாரி சோடியம் சம்திங் ப்ளஸ் ஹைட்ரோக்ளோரிக் ஆசிட் எல்லாம் வருது, ப்ளஸ் NaCl அதெல்லாம் வருது.
Second option, sir.
செகண்ட் ஆக்ஷன் அப்படி தான் தெரியுது எனக்கு. கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு ப்ளஸ் அண்ட் திஸ் திங்.
First option will not come sir.
Yeah, will not come.
Hydrochloric acid.
Will not come. Carbon dioxide plus water will give you something plus அது என்னது, மீத்தேனா.
Glucose. Glucose, sir.
Glucose
plus oxygen, sir.
Okay, I go with you, but all of you check once again because I am just exposing you one sample paper. அது எவ்வளோ நம்ம ஓட்டை இருக்குங்கிறது நல்லாவே காமிக்குது. We have to plug all those holes because we may be too good in something else, but okay, idella I don't even understand that, so I will skip whatever I don't understand. Ayush 1 minute. Yeah, Ayush refers to the system of medicines of Unani, Siddha, Ayurveda, all of the above.
All of the above.
All of the above is right answer. All of the above is right answer. Okay. Father of plant anatomy.
Nehemiah Grew.
Which one?
Nehemiah Grew.
Nehemiah Grew.
First option.
Oh, he is the father of plant anatomy. Maybe. Okay.
Anatomy.
I go with you. Okay, I go with you. Then this one. First one is the opening and closing of stomato. I am skipping. The leech attaches itself to the body of the host. Continuous supply of blood is maintained by the presence of dash in its salivary gland. அதுக்கு தமிழில் பேர் அட்டைன்னு பேர். லீச்னா அட்டை. பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? Have you seen leech?
Yes, sir.
Hirudin.
Hirudin is the right answer. In the presence of hirudin in its salivary gland. Somebody says. I think அவளை கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டாக
Yes,
சொல்கிறேன்.
sir.
I will go with that. But leech பார்த்துருக்கீங்களான்னு கேட்குறேன். Have you seen leech?
எஸ் சார்.
Where did you see?
சார் மழை காலத்துல எல்லாம் வரும் சார், ரோட்ல இருக்கும்
ரோட்லலாம் இருக்காது, அங்கங்கே blood வருது அதுக்கு.
In movies, sir.
சார். அங்க
என்ன மூவி?
Onion movie.
அன்னியன் மூவியில் காமிச்சிருக்கீங்க. அது எங்கேருந்து இருக்கு அது blood வருது?
சார் அந்த மரத்துல போய் கட்டி வச்ச
மரத்துலேருந்து வரல, அந்த ஆளோட blood எடுக்குது இல்லையா?
ஆமாங்க சார்.
ஆமாம், ஒரு மனுஷன்லேருந்தோ ஒரு மிருகத்துலேருந்தோ எடுக்கும். இந்த லீச் அடிக்கடி எங்கே பார்க்கலான்னா நம்ம எருமையில் பார்க்கலாம், மாடில் பார்க்கலாம். ஒரு எருமை இருந்தால் நல்லா க்ளீனாக வைக்கலைன்னா லீச் வந்துடும். நான் நிறைய தடவை பார்த்துருக்கேன். when I was kid like you, we had many cows and bullocks in our farm, in my grandfather's farm. அப்போல்லாம் போகும்போது அந்த லீச் பார்த்து எனக்கு கோவம் வரும், லீச் மேலே ரொம்ப கோவம் வரும். ஏன்னா அது வந்து இட் சக்ஸ் த blood அவுட் ஆஃப் தட் கவ். அதை போய் எடுக்கலான்னு போய் கையிலேருந்து பிடுங்கவே முடியாது. however strong you are, you cannot lift. அப்புறம் ஒரு இது எடுத்து என்ன பண்ணுவோம்னா, you have to take a scissor and cut the skin.
பேப்பர்ல நெருப்ப
பச்சை அது பண்ணலாம். Or you have to take a scissor. What I used to do, I was kid like you people like you of your age. ஒரு சிசர் எடுத்து அந்த ஸ்கின் ஆஃப் த கவ்வையே கட் பண்ணுவேன். அந்த ஸ்கின்னையே கட் பண்ணாதான் அந்த லீச் வெளியே வரும். அண்ட் லீச் இஸ் வெரி டேஞ்சரஸ் திங். இட் வில் சக் லாட் ஆஃப் blood and it's invariably you can see in all the animals, particularly இந்த மாடு, எருமை, குதிரை, ஆடு நான் பார்த்ததில்ல, பட் இதிலெல்லாம் வரும். அது கொஞ்சம் உருண்டையாக ஒரு 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 காளான் மாதிரி, குட்டி காளான் இருக்குமில்ல, காளான் குழந்தையாக இருக்கும்போது குட்டி காளான், அந்த டாப் சர்ஃபேஸ் வில் பி லைக் அ half spear மாதிரி இருக்கும். இட் இஸ் ஒயிட் இன் கலர். it's not white, off white in color. So I used to play with this leech. அந்த லீச்சை வந்து நீங்கள் என்ன அமுத்தினாலும் அது வந்து சாகாது அவ்வளோ சீக்கிரமாக. if you press like this, அப்படியே இந்த பால், இந்த ரப்பர் பால் உருண்டு ஓடுற மாதிரி அது நழுவிட்டு தான் போகும். பிகாஸ் அந்த சர்ஃபேஸ் இஸ் ஸோ நைஸ். So I had played with it for so many years when I was a kid. So yeah, I think I got remembered about this leech because of this question. Which acts as a pacemaker of the heart? Which acts as a synatrial node. Yes. அதுதான் அந்த ஆட்ரியல் நோடு தான் அது வந்து ஒரு எலக்ட்ரிக் கரண்ட் மாதிரி. இட் வில் கிவ் தட் சிக்னல். And in case when it is not working there, then they will keep a separate pacemaker, ஒரு outside pacemaker உள்ளே கொண்டு போய் மாட்டுவாங்க. இப்போ என்ன ஆச்சுன்னா, உள்ளே கொண்டு போய் சர்ஜரி பண்ணாமையே, ஈவன் விதவுட் டூயிங் சர்ஜரி யூ கேன் கீப் தட் பேஸ்மேக்கர் இன் யுவர் காலரில் எங்கேயாவது ஒரு இடத்துல நீங்கள் அப்படி வச்சுக்கலாம். பட் த்ரூ த வயர்லெஸ் கம்யூனிகேஷன் இட் ஆக்சுவலி triggers that gives the electric signal. So like this has come. Otherwise earlier, whenever there is a heart problem, whenever there was in the signal problem in the heart, they used to open the heart and keep a pacemaker there. Not only that, and that pacemaker has to be changed every 10 years, once in 10 years. அது பெரிய ஒரு தலைவலி. Every 10 years again you have to operate and then remove the pacemaker and then do it. Incidentally, I wanted to tell you, one of my classmates had this problem, and then to change the pacemaker after 10 years, it cost him about 7-8 lakhs. And then we all helped, our classmates, seniors, juniors, everything, we helped to the tune of around 8 lakhs. And we paid to this hospital in Calcutta, he is from Calcutta, and then that pacemaker was changed. So it brings back that memory to me by looking at this particular question. Okay, good. Then what else? 1 minute. Okay. Yeah. RH factor. Pick out the incorrect pair. RH factor is Landsteiner and Weiner அப்படிங்கிறவர் தான் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காரு. Circulation of blood is Steiney and Dacastello. AB blood group is William Harvey. And then Purkinje fiber is Wilm is. I do not know. But one thing I am very sure, I belong to AB blood group. Mine is AB positive. They say it is a very rare group, and then sometimes they don't find blood. Whenever they want blood for some patient, they don't get AB plus உள்ளவங்க அதிகமாக இருக்க மாட்டாங்க. So I used to get lot of calls, and I think I told in the group couple of times. எவ்வளோ தடவை blood கொடுத்துருக்கேன் சொல்லுங்கள். Maybe our old students know I have given blood more than 15 times till date. இப்போ யாரும் எடுக்க மாட்டேங்கிறாங்க. Once you cross some 55, 60, they don't take your blood unless you are very healthy. So the last I gave the blood is about 2 or 3 years back when I was 57, 58. அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் கொடுக்கல. ஏதாவது சான்ஸ் இருந்தால் கொடுத்து பார்க்கலாம். இப்போ எடுக்கிறாங்களா இல்லையான்னு பார்க்கலாம். Suppose if they don't take my blood, then I can very well say I am not that healthy. So this is one way of finding out whether you are healthy or not. Okay. So what are your blood factors, blood group, Lashman?
Sir, B.
எது?
B positive.
B positive. அவர் நம்ம அனிரோத்?
A positive, sir.
A positive. Others ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் சொல்லுங்க. அத்விகா?
B positive.
Next. Rasika, what is your blood group?
AB positive, sir.
AB positive. நான் நீங்களும் ஒரே ஒரே இனத்தை சேர்ந்தவங்க நினைக்கிறேன். Then இலக்கியா? வர்ஷா?
A positive, sir.
A positive. No, all of you must know the blood group. அதுக்காக தான் கேட்டேன். Blood group தெரியாதுன்னு யாரும் இருந்துடக்கூடாது. So that is the reason I wanted to ask you. Okay, good. So the answer இதுக்கு எனக்கு தெரியல, நீங்கள் தான் கண்டுபிடிச்சிக்கோங்க. அது find the odd man out. I think this is to do with biology, which I may not be the right person to talk on that. So I am skipping for the moment, but you don't skip. You should not skip these questions. Okay, we'll go to social science, maybe which I am somewhat comfortable with this. Never was so much owed by so many to so few, was the saying of. Never was owed. One minute. Never was so much owed by so many to so few, was the saying of Mussolini, Hitler, Winston Churchill, Woodrow Wilson. Who said that? Let me go to the statement again, because puriyir customer matter. Never was so much owed by so many to so few, was the saying of Mussolini, Hitler, Winston Churchill, Woodrow Wilson. I do not know, I don't have the answer, but my guess is it cannot be Mussolini or Hitler. Okay. And yesterday in quiz there was a question on Hitler. யார் வந்தீங்க நேற்று குவிஸுக்கு? குவிஸுக்கு யார் வந்தீங்க? வரல? ஓகே, அப்போ அந்த கேள்வி சொல்லலாம். ஸோ த கொஸ்டின் வாஸ், ஹிட்லர் ஹஸ் ஆஃபர்ட் citizenship for one hockey player of India.
Yes, sir.
Who is that person?
Dhyan Chand.
Dhyan Chand. That was the question. Dhyan Chand is the person who is the hockey captain, and he won the Olympic medal for India in the year 1952 or whatever, those days. And Hitler offered him German citizenship. நீங்கள் என்னோட நாட்டுக்கு வந்துருங்க, and he invited him. So, and the Dhyan Chand, in his name we have some 2 medals. What is that medal called?
Dhyan Chand Award.
No, Dhyan Chand Award. One more thing. I'm not getting it right now, but நேற்று ஞாபகம் வந்து இன்னைக்கு ஞாபகம் இல்லை.
Sir, mainly Dhyan Chand Award is goes for the trainer, sir.
No, trainer as well as the sports person. This time already one Dhyan Chand Award is there, and they have introduced one more Dhyan Chand Award. But because they have introduced me, the one award was there in the name of Rajiv Gandhi. அதை வந்து நேம் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணி தியான் சந்த் அவார்டுன்னு மாற்றிட்டாங்க. ஸோ நவ் வி ஹவ் காட் 2 ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் அவார்ட்ஸ் இன் த நேம் ஆஃப் தியான் சந்த். அதுக்கு என்னமோ ஒரு பேர் இருக்கு. ஐ எம் நாட் கெட்டிங் இட். ஓகே, சம் ஹிந்தி நேம் இஸ் தேர். ஐ எம் நாட் கெட்டிங் இட். ஓகே, ரைட். லெட்ஸ் கோ டு திஸ். Match the following: Chinese civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, Indus Valley civilization, Egyptian civilization. Match the following. Egyptian civilization is Great Sphinx.
Sphinx of Giza.
Great Sphinx is Egyptian civilization. Indus Valley civilization developed a system of...
Chinese civilization is invention of gunpowder.
Gunpowder is Chinese. Okay, I'll go with you. Indus civilization may be system of weights and measures. And then Mesopotamian civilization,
Hammurabi's code.
What is that? Amuribaya.
Hammurabi's
law code is Mesopotamian. I think we are correct. I think all of us jointly, I think we got the right answer. Great going. Go to the next odd man out. Find the odd one out. Kurinji Pattu பட்டினப்பாலை ஐங்குறுநூறு நெடுநாள் வாடை குறிஞ்சிப்பாட்டு பட்டினப்பாலை ஐங்குறுநூறு நெடுநாள் வாடை. What are these? These are all poems, Tamil poems. I think Kurinjippat is a Tamil poem, Pattinappal is a Tamil poem, I know. Aingurnur is a Tamil poem. Nedunal Vadai, I am not sure. Whether it is a Tamil poem or not, I do not know. அதனால் ஆட்மேன் அவுட்டில் நெடுநல் வாடையா இருக்கலாம். நெடுநல் வாடை இருக்கலாம். Identify the two cities in India which started declining 1750s due to the increasing power of European companies. Identify the two cities in India which started declining in the 1750s due to increasing power of the European companies. What are those?
Calcutta and Madras.
Calcutta and Madras. Why is it declined? I do not know.
Sir, he accepted, I think, sir.
In declining in 1750 due to the increasing power of European companies. Two cities in India which started declining, I'm not sure, but Calcutta has improved. In fact, because of the European companies only, Calcutta flourished. Maybe Surat, I do not know. Anyway, you check these answers. I don't want to give you a wrong answer. Utopia, a satire on political evil, was written by. Yeah, who has written this novel or something called Utopia? I do not know. Utopia enna theriyuma?
No, sir.
What is the meaning of Utopia? I think Anirudh may know, likely to know.
Yes, sir. Utopia.
Utopian solution or utopia, what is the meaning?
Yes, sir.
It is universally accepted good solution for everybody. It is a utopian idea means everybody will accept that idea. That is the meaning of it.
Okay, sir.
So that idea or that solution gives does good for everybody. That is the utopian this thing. Say for example, we say everybody should speak truth. அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறேன் வச்சுங்க. Idea is good, but practice may be difficult. But that is good for everybody, for you, for the nation, for the world, for the universe. Everybody, it is good. So something like that. Okay. Men disguised as Native American boarded the cargo vessel carrying tea and threw the tea overboard, which was hailed as Boston Tea Party. Men disguised as Native American boarded the cargo vessel carrying tea and threw the tea overboard, which was hailed as Boston Tea Party. This incident led to the compromise between England and rebellious colonies. So, which one is correct? A and B are correct. Anyway, I don't know. I don't know the answer. You check up. But Boston Thenir Virundu, I know. Boston Tea Party, I know. I have heard of it. But what for it happened and what was the cause for that particular incident, I do not know. But see, I studied in Tamil medium those days. So, Boston Thenir Virundu, it is called. So, it's called Boston Tea Party. So, that I still remember that word, but I don't know the answer. Arrange the following events in their chronological order. Great Depression, Battle of Marne, Fascist Party, Battle of Jutland. Oh my God, this is something. Great Depression is after the World War II. It's a Great Depression.
Sir, Great Depression will come in second, sir.
It will come second. What is the first one? No, I think we
I have not even heard of Battle of
Battle of Marne, I do not know. Fascist Party, of course, it's known. Battle of Jutland, we don't know. It must be there. It must be there in either your social science book or either in state board or in central board. There could be some difference there. Some of the things may not have included in some other board. But this question paper is based on the state board. Okay. Go to next. The founder of Widow Remarriage Association. Who is the founder of Widow Remarriage Association? M.G. Ranade, Devendranath Tagore, Jyotiba Phule, Ayyangali. No idea for me. So the number of...
Sir, I think M.G. Ranade, sir.
M.G. Ranade is the Widow Remarriage Association founder. எனிவே வி வில் செக். இதெல்லாம் இது ஸ்ட்ரைட் அவே நீங்கள் செக் பண்ணி கூகுளில் போனாவே உங்கள் புக்கில் போனாவே தெரிஞ்சிடும். The number of member countries in UNO as in August 2019. It's very difficult to say because all the numbers are very close, but my guess is 194.
Sir, there are 195 countries, sir.
But 190 now 195, but as on August 2019, the one country which has left the UN, எது? The first country to leave the UN is, I think, Indonesia. The first country to leave UN is Indonesia. Indonesia, Thailand and ரெண்டுல ஏதோ ஒன்று, or Philippines, இந்த மூணுல ஏதோ ஒன்று. I think Indonesia, if I remember correct. Okay, the British engineer who diverted the flow of Periyar river towards east and built a dam in Tamil Nadu. Who is that fellow? இப்போ அடிக்கடி பேசுகிறாங்களே. The British engineer who diverted the flow of Periyar river and towards east and built a dam in Tamil Nadu. எங்கே இருக்குது அந்த டேம்? எங்கே இருக்கு தெரியுமா? தேனி. காலனல் பெனிக்விக் அவர் தான் அந்த ஆள். கரெக்ட், யூ ஆர் கரெக்ட். இப்போ இந்த பெனிக்விக் பற்றி நிறைய பேச்சு நடந்துட்டு இருந்தது. நியூஸ் பேப்பர் படித்தவங்களுக்கு தெரியும். நோ, யூ வுட் ஹவ் சீன் இன் லாட் ஆஃப் நியூஸ் அபவுட் பெனிக்விக். அவருக்கு செலவு வைக்கணுமா என்ன ஏதுன்ட்டுலாம் 1008. ஃபைண்ட் த இன்கரெக்ட் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட். Prakrit, the language spoken by the people during Mauryan period. Erythraean Sea refers to the water around the Red Sea. The Cheras wore garlands made from flowers of neem tree. Nalli, Kari and Pagan were velirs. I don't know, any idea. Let's again skip this. The difference in local time between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh is. The difference in local time between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh is 1 hour 52 minutes 12 seconds. My God, I never know this. But is it that different? 1 hour 56 minutes, 52 minutes, 55 minutes. But all the four answers looks very odd to me. Okay. The Lakshadweep, Minicoy and Amindivi was renamed as Lakshadweep Island in the year. In fact, yesterday quiz question, one question was there about Lakshadweep. In Lakshadweep group of islands, how many individual islands are there? That was the question.
13 something.
What?
13 also?
Yeah, 36. 36 individual islands are there in Lakshadweep group of islands. That was the answer. And many students gave it right. That was, very surprising to me. Many got it correct. Okay, go to next question. Pick the odd man out. Ulur Lake, Dal Lake, Nainital Lake, Chilka Lake.
Sir, அதுக்கு இயர் வந்து 1975 சார். லக்ஷதீப்.
Okay. Maybe I'll go with you. 1975. It could be possible. எனக்கு சரியா தெரியல. So pick the odd man out. Ulur Lake, Dal Lake, Nainital Lake, Chilka Lake. Yesterday there was one question about this. இது பற்றிய question. Which was the largest lake in India? அத கேள்வி. Which is the
நைனிடால் லேக்.
the largest lake? The largest Chilka Lake is the largest lake in India. It comes under Orissa, but it is in the border of Orissa and Andhra. And I had been there once. நான் ஒரு இடம் அங்கே போயிருக்கேன். And I spent about one day, one night there. It's very big lake and you can almost like a ocean. அந்த இன்னொரு பக்கம்லாம் தெரியாது. அந்த அதர் this thing, banks, you cannot see the other banks also. Okay, here the question is Ulur Lake, Dal Lake, Nainital Lake, Chilka Lake. I don't know which is the odd man out. Maybe.
Sir, I think Ular Lake, sir.
What is Ulur Lake?
Sir, because it is in another country. Dal Lake, Nainital, the Chilka Lake are in India.
Ulur Lake is not in India.
Yes, sir.
Maybe. Okay, I'll leave that to you. In India, bauxite deposits are abundantly found in Rajasthan, Orissa, Jammu and Kashmir and Andhra Pradesh. இது கூட நம்ம படித்தோம், மறந்துட்டேன். இன்ஃபேக்ட் I think it could be Orissa or something like that. வேண்டாம், let me not guess, you have to find out. But this was there in our PPT, in our geography PPT இன்னும் ஒன்று தனியாக போட்டிருக்கோம். இட்ஸ் தேர் in our YouTube. அதில் இது இருக்குது, இதுக்கான ஆன்சர் இருக்குது. I forgot. The company which provides helicopter services to Oil and Natural Gas Corporation is The company which provides helicopter services to Oil and Natural Gas Corporation is Indian Airlines, Air India, Pavanance and Vayudut. Pavanance is the right answer. Pavanance ங்கிறதா இந்த helicopter services எல்லாம் கொடுக்குது. Suppose you need a helicopter to fly from one place to another and you are a very rich man, maybe an actress or actor or a director, you can go and hire an helicopter from them. அது மாதிரி. Pick out the odd one out. Almora, Shivalix, Ranikat, Chamba. Pick out the odd one out. Almora, Shivalix, Ranikat, Chamba. எல்லாம் பார்த்தா இதெல்லாம் ஒரு breed of இது ஷீப் மாதிரி இருக்கு. breed of goat or sheep. அது மாதிரி தெரியுது. அப்படியா? Or is it a form of a disease? இல்லை, it's not disease. I think it's some kind of a breed. Let me see. Google போனால் தெரியும். இருங்க.
Sir, Shivalix.
What? Yeah. சொல்லுங்க, ஆன்சர் சொல்லுங்க.
Shivalix.
No, you tell me what are you trying to say? Shivalix is a mountain range. They say it's a mountain range. What is the other one you said? Almora, no? Almora, we'll see. Almora district அது ஒரு ஃபேமஸ் ஸ்னோஃபால். ஆமாம், அதுவும் ஒரு மவுண்டன் ரேஞ்ச் தான். Almora is a mountain range. Then what are the other things they have given? Almora.
Ranikat.
Ranikat, Chamba. Ranikat is what? Let me see. Ranikat is a disease. Correct. அப்போ Ranikat is a disease. அப்போ அதுதான் ஆன்சர். Ranikat is the odd man out. மற்றதெல்லாம்
Sir, town in India ன்னு இருக்கு sir first இதுல.
ஆமாம், Ranikat is town in இந்தியாவும் இருக்கு. அப்புறம் சம்பா. ஆமாம், Ranikat also is a town in India. அதுவும் இருக்கு. சம்பா பார்க்கலாம். சம்பா அதுவும் town in India. So now it's difficult to find. அது உங்கள் புக்கை பார்த்தா தான் தெரியும். So you need to find your books and get it. Okay, next one. Next one is, so this I am not very sure, but Ranikat is a disease also. அதான் எனக்கு அதனால தான் டிசீஸாக ஞாபகம் வந்தது. ஸோ நீங்கள் வந்து கொஞ்சம் இந்த that social service.
Shivalix is a mountain range and all the others are hill stations.
Okay, Shivalix is the mountain, all others are place. Okay. All others are towns.
Yes.
All other towns and Shivalix is a mountain. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, maybe. Ada. You check all those things and we will close at this. We'll meet again in next class. But I repeat, many times I repeated, again I repeat, your knowledge level as far as SAT is concerned is far below the expectation. Maybe you are good in math, but SAT is something which you need to really, bug up and then improve your knowledge on SAT as far as NTSE exams are concerned. Okay, anyway, all the best.